I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a test question for you. So you can pause the video, copy the question answer, and then look into my suggestion. The question here is, the diagram below shows two different tanks. Which tank has greater capacity? And you can also find by how much, right? So that could be your question. So these are the two different tanks given to us. Dimensions of the first tank is in meters, the other one is in centimeters, right? So let's find the capacity of each. When we say capacity, what do we mean? We mean volume, right? As you know, volume is length times width times height, right? So that is what volume is. So we'll find volume for each. For the first one, it is 2 meters by 2 meters by 4 meters, correct? So what do we get? 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16. We get 16 meter cube. So that is the capacity for the first tank. Now what is the capacity for the second tank? It is 30 centimeter by 15 centimeter by 20 centimeter. You can use calculator to find this answer, right? What we can do is we can multiply 15 by 20 first. So it becomes 300. So let's do it in steps. 300. So we'll do 30 times, if I multiply this twice and 10, and centimeter cube, of course, right? 3 centimeters when multiplied together. 3 times 3 is 9. So we get 9 and 3 zeros. So 9,000 centimeter cube. So we get capacity for both the tanks. Now you can pause the video and explain which tank has more capacity and also find by how much more, right? So you could do that. Now how do we compare their capacities? The two units are very different, right? One is in meter cube, the other one is centimeter cube. So what you could do is you could convert them to liters, correct? So if you convert them to liters, do you know 1 meter cube is how many liters? Think about it. And what is 1 liter equals to in terms of centimeter cube? That we know it is 1000, right? 1000 centimeter cube is 1 liter. However, 1 meter cube is 1000 liters. So that is how they are, connected. So if you convert the units, then what do you get? You actually get here 16 and 3 zeros, 1 2 3 thousand liters, correct? So in liters, that is the one. And in this case, 1 liter is 1000 centimeter cube. So centimeter cube is 1000. You have to divide by 1000. So you get 9 liters here. So clearly there is lot of difference, right? So the units make huge impact. So you get 9 liters capacity for this tank and 16,000 liters capacity for the other tank, correct? The alternate way of doing this was you could have converted the units into the same ones. For example, you could have written these units into centimeters. So instead of meters, I could have written here 400 centimeters. Do you see? 1 meter is 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So if you do that, 2 meters will mean 200. Do you see? 200 centimeters. So that will also be 200 centimeters. So once you have same units, it's easier to compare, correct? So that's the whole idea about this video. Try to understand and appreciate the units. That may look small, but it's a huge amount, correct? So that is how you should do this. Now, as an additional question, what you can do is you can find difference of their capacity, right? Difference of their capacity. That is one thing you could find. And some of you could have the second question, that is ratio of their capacity. So ratio means one divided by the other, right? Difference is the difference, one takeaway from the other, right? So you could do either of these two questions and then move on to the next one. I hope that helps. Thank you.